Good morning, Facebook. Here we are in Westminster, California. So we're gonna be sanding and possibly staining a one room. Okay, we got room's pretty clear. Wood's not bad, pretty good condition. My guys are already sanding it and stuff. So I'm gonna just kind of take you through a quick little tour of what we're gonna be doing. Second, flip that around. Okay, so. Basically, they just lifted up the carpet. The floor was in pretty good shape. Let me see. Quick tour. I know it's loud in there, but pretty much we're going to be sanding that floor. We'll show them the natural, see if they like the natural. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Maybe they want to go with some sort of stain. Totally up to them. But as you can see, we already have our guy on there sanding everything, and it's going to look pretty good once it's all said and done. You know, so I'll do an update video in a couple hours, and we can see where it's at. Everybody have a good day.